I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get blocks in Build a Boat for Treasure, easy method. Start by locating nearby spawners and marking them with a flag, then build a small harvesting platform around one spawner. Use a piston or launcher to push newly spawned blocks into a chest automatically, and rotate focus between spawners to avoid destruction. Keep tools repaired and avoid large collisions so your farm stays efficient and repeatable. Build a compact harvesting ring around the spawner with an angled floor that channels blocks to one spot. Then add a piston or conveyor to push material into a chest. Keep the collection chest elevated slightly to prevent water or lava loss, and add a one-block gap to avoid accidental block jams. Rotate farms between spawners and repair tools frequently so farming stays consistent and safe during longer runs. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading game guides and tips on the go, with a comfortable display and long battery life, making practice sessions more relaxed. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Focus on reducing wasted time by upgrading tools and organizing quick transfer routes to your main ship, using lightweight blocks for transport to lower lag. Assign roles like harvester, transporter, and defender so farms run smoothly with minimal interruptions. Keep an eye on spawn timers and rotate working farms to prevent overloading one area, and always carry backup materials to rebuild a damaged farm in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.